Racing just is started. We have Snurf first to show quickness at the start. Boogie Wonderland is down on the inside, sailing away for us all. Promise while Queen's King is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Snurf by about 3 lengths. Boogie Wonderland in second, sailing away is down in third. For us all is racing in fourth, Queen's King, while Promise is still racing in less half-mile distance they traveled. We have Snurf by about 2 lengths. Boogie Wonderland in second, sailing away is down in third. Then next on line is Forest All, Queen's King, while Promise is still racing in less. Another fourth turn, we have Snurf by our length and a half. Boogie Wonderland is still in second, sailing away is down in third. Forest All, Queen's King, and a long way back to Promise, who's still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. Snurf moving up now on the outside is Boogie Wonderland with about 150 meters more to run. We have Boogie Wonderland now saying it's my turn to take the lead by about 3 lengths over Snurf. And finally, Boogie Wonderland, Snurf, Forest All, sailing away, Queen's King, and Promise.